Okay, thank you. So this is a deluxe room in Devera Hotel.
Yeah, Devera Hotel.
Devera, sorry. And let me see. So the refrigerator comes fully stocked. You have your TV, your cable box here. Is this where the safe is?
Yeah.
Yep. You have your safety box here and your closet. Some drawers. You have a little workstation here. Your bed. A little table here for when you have guests, you want to eat something. And here we are. And the CR. So you have your shower here, toilet bowl, sink, mirror, and that is it. And this is a deluxe room. I will list the price in the comments. This is Penn signing off from the deluxe room in Devera Hotel. Adios.